Oh, shit! Forgot about Monopoly! Shit! Oh, I forgot about Monopoly! Got a game of Monopoly going on right now! I'm 8 minutes late! Aw. My dad changed that photo from Reddit. Oh. Oops. Alright, last game. Yeah, being Australian just happens to be my Monopoly alter ego. Let's see. Let me try to find this. I need to focus. Okay, shit. I don't know what their server's called. Okay, shit in a game of chess. 1 sec. Oh, God, I'm late. Oh, they're waiting on me. I shouldn't have started this rematch. Okay, now we have to win. If we're delaying Monopoly for this, we can't be a loser. We have to show up a champion. Okay, come on. We're already down 50 seconds. Come on, dude. Come on, get your shit together. We're playing with Saikudo, Josh, Iron Mouse, and I think Blastoise. We're going, chat. We're going. I'll just tell him just making my rounds around the globe and stopped by Australia and got distracted for a little bit, and they won't understand what I'm talking about, and it'll work. Whenever you're late, just make up a lot of nonsense, and then they're just too exhausted to ask questions. That's what I do with my sister. She gave up a long time ago. I don't know if this was the move, because they're just going to do this. But I feel like this isn't going to work yet. It could be crazy. I know this is, like, not great, but imagine that bishop. Imagine. All right. This is a very unprincipled move. Oh. Oh. There goes my queen. I don't think I should have. Wait. No. I just gave a queen. I thought maybe. That's really sad. Well, that's sad. I was late to Monopoly for this? Are you kidding me? I could try this. Or I could try this. Still bad, though, because then you just go right back. You just go right back. That is kind of heartbreaking. I was not expecting this. I played myself. No, it's worse. Snakington challenged me. And it's a photo of a snake wearing a mustache and a hat. They did 500. Okay, I'm going to join the Monopoly. Well, okay, we should probably not waste our time on this game. After this. Wait. Like, okay, there's just a small probability that he, like, walks into this. But, like, almost impossible. But, you know. Oh, no, because he blocks with the bishop. Duh. Okay, I'm going to find the Discord. See? He's almost walking into it. But he still has that. Like, he's probably aware. Ah, yeah, what am I doing? Let's resign. Come on. All right.